Hello friends, welcome to our channel Agricos World. Today we are going to discuss some of the important questions related to general agriculture which have been repeated in most of the competitive exams. Moving on to the first question. Element which is the major constituent of protoplasm. Nitrogen is the major element which is the constituent of protoplasm. Kesar, saffron belongs to which family? Saffron belongs to the family Iridiaceae. Dioecious plants contain male and female flowers on dash plants. Dioecious plants contain male and female flowers on different plants. The examples of dioecious plants are papaya and date palm. End product of glycolysis is, the end product of glycolysis is pyruvate. One molecule of sugar, that is one molecule of glucose, will give rise to two molecules of pyruvate, which is a C3 compound. Law of tolerance was given by, the law of tolerance was given by Shelford. Camel crop is the other name of, camel crop is the other name of sorghum. Sorghum is called as a camel crop because it has a highest drought tolerance. Carbon dating is used to find the age of, it is used to find the age of fossils. Pure line theory was given by which scientist? Pure line theory was given by Johansen in the Princess variety of Phaseolus vulgaris. Agrobacterium tumefaciens is, Agrobacterium tumefaciens is a bacterium. Positively charged amino acid is, there are three positively charged amino acids at the neutral pH. They are the arginine, histidine and the lysine. The answer is lysine. Blue revolution is related to, blue revolution is related to aquaculture, which means it includes the fishes, and the father of blue revolution is Arun Krishnan. Term virus was coined by, the term virus was coined by Byjenic. Mycology is the study of, mycology is the study of fungi. Whiptail is due to the deficiency of which nutrient? Whiptail is caused due to the deficiency of molybdenum. Plants which is having male and female flowers on the same plant is called, it is called as monoecious. If the plant has male and female flowers on different plants, then it is called as a dioecious. The examples of monoecious plants are corn and cucurbits. Most cultivated mustard type in India is, the most cultivated mustard type in India is Indian mustard, that is Brassica gentiana. Soya bean origin is, soya bean glycine max whose 2n number is equals to 40. Its origin is in China. Length of Guntur chain is, the length of Guntur chain is 66 feet. The element which is mobile in plant and immobile in soil is, it is the phosphorus which is mobile in plant and it is immobile in soil. Element essential for nitrogen fixation. The element which is mostly essential for the nitrogen fixation is molybdenum. 2, 4, 6, 8. Find out the arithmetic mean of the data. From the above data, the arithmetic mean is sum of the variables by total number of variables. The sum of variables is 20 and the total number of variables is 4. So the arithmetic mean 20 divided by 4, the arithmetic mean is 5. Recovery of sugar from sugar beet is, the recovery of sugar from sugar beet is 10 to 12%, whereas recovery of sugar from sugar cane is 8 to 10%. The color which absorbs maximum radiation is, the color which absorbs maximum radiation is black. Time taken for the sun rays to reach the earth's surface is around, it is around 8 minutes, which is also is equal to 5000 seconds. So the option is A and B. Which of the following parameter is having no units? Here the option is coefficient of variance and albedo, that is option is A and B, because coefficient of variation and albedo are expressed in the form of percentage. Thank you friends. I hope you liked our video. If you like our video, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel Agricos World for more content related to agriculture.